Green diesel fuel oil. Jakarta is one of its most populous cities in Indonesia and are in town that most people have in Indonesia, and business center is in Indonesia. Issues that are often happen that jams and pollution caused by a very bad vehicle and factories. Therefore, we provide solution, namely Biodiesel Super Biodies. As an effort to reduce the pollution of NOx gas and black smoke from diesel engine which is using ordinary diesel fuel oil, we would like to introduce the environmentally friendly fuel for diesel engine called Green Diesel Fuel Oil (GDFO) or Biodiesel Super Biodies. Green diesel fuel oil or biodies is a new technology product by mixing ordinary diesel fuel oil or biodies oil with water and additive. The old technology of mixing diesel fuel oil with water is known as emulsifying technology, where one of the famous products is the one from Liberizol's company who produce Furinox, etc. But the problem is this diesel fuel cannot mix perfectly with water. After a certain period of time, 1 or 2 months, the mixture will separate into its component again. Our technology can mix diesel fuel oil or biodiesel oil with water completely and will stay stable forever. The appearance of GDFO or biodies is clear just like an ordinary diesel fuel oil. We also cannot see any water in the mixture. In addition, if there is no chemical material added to that mixture, biodies will stay stable. Several engine tests have been conducted at several laboratories and at actual generator engine owned by the Indonesia Electric Power Company PLN in Kalimantan. The results show that there is no bad effect on the engine performance. The deposit in the combustion chamber is very much similar to the one using ordinary diesel fuel oil. The engine's lubricant quality also shows no difference compared to ordinary diesel fuel oil.
Emission from the car and the fuel consumption, and then the result of this test will give us the difference between the car using our alternative fuel and the car using the ordinary diesel fuel oil. So the parameter can take by using this equipment is for emission the total hydrocarbon, CO, CO2, NOx, and then of course the particulate matter.
GDFO or biodies can reduce the emission of the engine as much as 42% for NOx and 59% for black smoke. The fuel consumption is almost the same. Our technology can decrease the price of diesel fuel oil or biodiesel oil decrease as much as 10%, or as an example around 1,000 rupiah per liter for industrial purpose in Indonesia. And the potential market in Indonesia is as follows.
Indonesian Electrical Power Company PLN 30 million liter day, coal mining companies 20 million liter day, textile industries 10 million liter day.
Other industries 5 million liter a day, and transportation 10 million liter a day. The potential market in other countries are as follows. Southeast Asian countries such as Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, with the market of each countries are about 30 until 50 million a day or half of Indonesian market. European countries with the market of each countries are about 10 until 20 million a day. American, Canada, Latin America, which have also a huge market for diesel fuel oil. And now we will give a little explanation of how the making of this biodies.
Now I would like to show you how we make our green diesel fuel oil. See here, there's 3 material here. This one is the ordinary diesel fuel oil. This is Indonesian diesel fuel oil, or we call it SOA. And then this is water, the ordinary water. And then this is our additive. So our technology we can mix it completely, homogeneously, and then you cannot see any water again. Okay, first I would like to show we put the water. I will show you how we put the water into the diesel fuel oil. As you can see here, because the density of these two materials is different, so the water will goes down because the density is more heavy than the diesel fuel oil. Even if we mix this one, we use our mixer and then stop it, and then we'll separate again. This is the normal condition. Now we put our additive in order to make water and diesel fuel mix completely. Okay. So at first they will become a milky one, look like a milk or cappuccino here. And then if the compositions become normal or the harmonic composition, it will be clear again, look like the appearance of diesel fuel oil. So when we use a very simple mixture here, we do not need any condition, for example temperature or pressurized tank, reactor or something like that. It just look like ordinary, a simple one. You can mix this one. See, you can see first become a milky one. You can see clear, 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 and clear. But visually, you cannot see any water here yet. Mix completely or homogeneously. Even if we stop this one, as a result, the emission, especially for NOx gas, will reduce about 40%, and the black smoke will reduce about 60%. Okay, this is all our point. Thank you very much.